Hey guys, it's me Lily here, and on this video, I'm gonna guide you how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. So, firstly, you need to head into the Messenger application. Tap on the three-line icon at the upper left corner. On this section, you need to tap on gear icon at the upper right corner. Scroll all the way down, and now under Preferences, tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and under Who Can Reach You, there is Restricted Accounts. Tap on it. And now on this section, you can easily find out all the restricted accounts that you have ignored or restricted on Messenger. Simply tap on the restricted account that you want to unrestrict again. Finally, you will be taken to the specific chat with that person. Now tap on Unrestrict button at the bottom of the screen. Wait until it has been unrestricted. So now this user has been successfully unrestricted. Now you can continue the chat or the conversation with this person or the user on Messenger. So this is how you can easily unrestrict someone on the Messenger. I hope this video was useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so that you won't miss out any videos from our channel. Thank you guys.